Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Shanzay once again. In this video, I will be gonna sharing that how you can make your laptop cursor attractive in Windows 10. So as you can see that this is my cursor and it is very boring looking and it is not very creative. By I am telling you a technique. So by doing that technique you can make your cursor creative. So the website name is custom cursor. So you have to enter and it will gonna appear this link. You have to click on this link and you have to wait for it to load. It is taking very time. Oh, it is loaded. Now you have to click on add to Chrome and then add extension, and now the download process has been started. Now you have to wait for it to download. It will just gonna take some seconds to download. It is taking very time because the net is very slow. Hey net, please be fast. My viewers are waiting. Oh, finally. Okay, so it is being downloaded. As you can see that it is telling us that successfully installation. Now you have to cross and then you have to go on new tab, and then over here is a block type of thing. You have to click on it and then it will gonna be all of your extension. You have to click on the extension which we have downloaded. It will gonna appear over here, and ta-da, here are lots of cursors which you can choose for your own, and you can make it your laptop cursor on Chrome. So I will gonna take Tom and Jerry cursor because it's my you know most favorite cartoon. So if you want to adjust its size, so you have to go over here, and then by doing this it is getting bigger, and by doing this it is getting smaller. So I think it's the perfect size. So now if you will gonna open anything, for example I'm opening Roblox, and and now ta-da, my cursor has been changed, as you can see. And so I hope you like this video, and after watching it you will also gonna change your own laptop cursor. So I hope you like this. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video, and also please give me suggestions in the comment box that which video I would make next. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.